like this video, please subscribe to my channel. This video is about solar system. You can use this video for your educational activities and the project of solar system. Let's start. There are 8 planets in the solar system in order of increasing distance from the Sun. There are 4 inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Then the 4 outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. 6 of the planets are orbited by one or more natural satellites. Pluto. For more than 70 years, Pluto was one of the 9 planets recognized in our solar system. But in 2006, it was relegated to the status of dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union. The principal component of the solar system is the Sun, that contains 99.86% of the system's known mass and dominates it gravitationally. The distance from Earth to the Sun is 1 astronomical unit. The 4 inner planets have dense rocky compositions. Few or no moons and no ring systems. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and on average all 7 other planets. The smallest planet in the solar system, Venus. Venus is close in size to Earth. It is much drier than Earth. Venus has no natural satellites. It is the hottest planet with surface temperature over 400 degrees Celsius. Earth. Earth is the largest and densest of the inner planets. The only one known to have current geological activity and the only place where life is known to exist. It has one natural satellite, the Moon, the only large satellite of a terrestrial planet in the solar systems. Mars. Mars is smaller than Earth and Venus. It has an atmosphere of mostly carbon dioxide in its surface. The asteroid belt, which lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, mostly contains objects composed of rocks and metals. Outer planets. There are 4 outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The 4 outer planets are giant planets. The 2 largest, Jupiter and Saturn, are gas giants, being composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. 2 outermost planets, Uranus and Neptune, are ice giants, being composed mostly of substances with relatively high melting points such as water, ammonia and methane. Jupiter. Jupiter is 2.5 times the mass of all other planets put together. It is composed of largely hydrogen and helium. Saturn. Saturn is distinguished by its extensive ring system. Saturn is the only planet of the solar system that is less dense than the water. The rings of the Saturn are made up of small ice and rock particles. Uranus. Uranus is the lightest of the outer planets. It has much colder core than the other giant planets. Neptune. Neptune, though slightly smaller than Uranus, it is more massive and more dense. Each of the outer planet is encircled by planetary rings. Planetary rings are made up of dust and other small objects. All planets of the solar system lie very close to the ecliptic. The closer they are to the Sun, the faster they travel. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel to get more educational videos. Thank you.